Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing ham and corn chowder. Really easy to do, a nice filling soup. Look, let's get on with it. Nice big knob of butter, about 20 grams worth, that goes straight into a saucepan, just like that. And I'm going to add in 2 large brown onions. Alright, and I'll just give them that a rough chop. And all we're going to do now is just cook those down and until they go a little bit translucent. I'm also going to add in 2 big cloves of garlic. If your garlic's a little bit smaller, compensate for that. A few sage leaves that can go straight in just like that. And I'm also going to add in a couple of sprigs worth of thyme. I'm just going to rip the leaves off those. If you don't have fresh, by all means use dried. Okay, so we're going to cook those off for a little bit. I'm going to add in 1 nice big ham hock straight into our big soup pot, and I'm going to add in 3 liters worth of chicken stock. Right, just put that straight in at this point, and look, that chicken stock is at room temperature. Don't worry about that. We're going to cook this off for quite a while. Alright, it's going to be a really nice soup. Put the lid on and walk away. Now I've let that sit for about an hour and a half or so, and we've just got a nice bit of steamage happening there, a little bubble here and there, and I'm going to add in total 8 potatoes cut up really nice and fine. Okay, so make them nice little tiny chunks about the size of a corn kernel, right? Maybe a little bit bigger. I'll put the lid back on, and we can let that sit for another bit of time. Now I'm cooking this soup off for about 4 to 5 hours. Now once we've got a bit of bubblage, we've only got this on a very low heat, and that ham hock has been in there for about 3 to 3.5 hours. We're going to remove that. It has done its job. It has given all of its flavor out, and it is cooked all the way down. The meat is already starting to fall off the bone. I'm going to take that aside. I'm going to strip the meat off that bone and put that aside. I'm going to add in 6, 7, 8 rashers of bacon, a nice smoky streaky bacon, 2 cups worth of frozen corn, which has basically come back up to room temperature. That's all going back in. Put the lid back on, and we're going to cook that off for another good bit of time. Right, I've taken the lid off. I'm starting to reduce this down. We've got a nice little bit of bubblage happening. I'm on quite a low heat, and the smell out of this pot at the moment is amazing. We're going to season that up with some freshly ground black pepper. Okay, and look, the salt we need for this is going to come out of the bacon and the ham, and of course a little bit of the chicken stock. I'm just going to add in plenty of freshly ground black pepper. Get your stick mixer and start blitzing what we have in that pot all the way up. It's going to crunch up all the herbs. It's going to crunch up, the bacon and the corn and the potato, and we're going to end up with a really nice, smooth, velvety type soup. Right, a real nice chowder. Right, I'm going to let that start reducing down even more. I'm going to add in around about 1/2 cup's worth of cream. Right, that can go straight in. Give that a bit of a stir, and look at the consistency of that. I'm going to reduce that down just a little bit more, of course, before we serve, just on a nice low heat, and make sure it doesn't bubble away. We don't want it to catch on the bottom. Time to serve up. Some of the ham that we've just stripped off the ham hock, we're going to put that in the bottom of a bowl. That is at room temperature by now, and all we have to do now is put in that really hot, beautiful chowder straight over the top, and that's going to heat that ham chunks up really quickly and efficiently. We don't want to put that ham hock back in and let it dissolve. We want these nice chunks of ham in there, and all we have to do now is serve up with some nice bread of your choice, and there you go. You've got KP's ham and corn chowder. How good is that? Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence and make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make real budget nice winter warmer recipes just like this one, we need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my ham and corn chowder, and I will catch you next time. Bye.